Hi guys, I am Mel from Mel and Milo and now also Olivia. This channel is meant to inform and entertain and maybe put a smile on your face. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and like and share on your social media so I can spread the words about parrots. Have a wonderful day, morning, evening, weekend, wherever you may be. Thank you.
Who knows the feeling? I know I do, because I have a Malaccan cockatoo that screams all day for no reason, so I love my shirt. So today I want to introduce the new thing that I have in my room right now, and you can already see it in the background. I have installed a nice swinging rope for my birds, and I will show you the rope in action. Both of my birds love it. You can see that I have Dora running in the background to entertain them. This is a really quick and easy way to entertain your bird. They like to swing, they like to hang upside down, mind you, anyway. So I hope you enjoy my little clips. I think Olivia likes a new rope we put up for her. We just used all natural rope. I think it's coconut fiber and some rope, some chains right there, and we covered with PVC just so they don't get their foot stuck or something. That way they don't climb up to the top either, I think. So far so good, and then you can hang little things on it. Just be careful, always supervise your bird while they're on it, and you can actually give her a little push, and then she gets to swing. Yeah, ooh. Yeah, you like it, Olivia? You swinging? Yeah, you swinging? Hi. Have fun. Pretty easy project, doesn't take too long, and it's not that expensive. And I just put some old toys on it. Obviously it doesn't look too great. This is an old swing, but it still has a lot of good parts on it for them to chew on, so why not? Never leave your birds alone, ever. Because she's a baby, she's only 5 months, almost 6 months old now, and he's a full-grown 4-year-old. Hello. And she's much smaller, and she doesn't know when to stop, not to see his spot, his language. Yeah, you like it? Look at you going all the way up. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. She's all the way above me. You were stuck. What are you saying? What are you saying, Olivia? Hi. Hello. Milo likes his rope. Yeah, look at that, Milo. Yeah, look at that. You like your new toy? You like your new toy, Milo? You like your new toy, Milo? Yeah. That's right, you like it. Hi. This is Milo in its perfection. Screaming for no reason. You gotta love it. You just have to. If not, it makes you do insane. But I love it. Swinging! Yay! Milo, swinging! Is that fun? Yeah, hi!
Wow!
Woo!
Swinging, Milo, pakat-pakat.
If you like what I do, please subscribe, please like, and please share. I would like to share my information with everybody out there that is looking to get a parrot, has a parrot and has questions. That way if you share, they will also be able to receive this information. So please share with all your friends. All you do is go on YouTube and say share and then copy the link and go to your Facebook and paste it in there. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye guys. Oh, as always, have a good night, day, weekend, whenever you are. Thank you.